Punta na kami sa Disney. Dito nga pala kami naka-check-in. Oh. Kita niyo.
May picture dito.
Curfew by Marriott. Yung sa kanto na, may McDo dito. So, sa likod ko, yung hotel na next day namin. So, pwede mag-breakfast kayo muna dito sa McDo. So, isang malaking building yan. Pagkakain namin dyan, sa tapat na Disneyland na yan. Ang breakfast dito, pancake ko. 3 piraso. Sa atin, 2 pieces lang ha. Ang dami pang syrups at butter. Kakaiba yung ano nila, chicken dito na sandwich. Eat more ha, so we can enjoy our rides later, okay? You too ate, enjoy your food, okay? Dito, may tren sa gitna. May tren sa gitna sila, oo. So, going to the castle sa gitna, yun. Same din sa Hong Kong. Meron din shop, pati food, restaurant, if you look on the right. So, explore namin na meron dito sa Disney Park. Actually, dalawa to eh. Disney Adventure Park. Kung afford mo mag 2 days or 2 tours, yan, pwede mo gawin yan. Asking, turn. Wow, Benedict Asia. Bye! See you later! Our driver. Yay! Here we go! Oh, what is this? You're so fun! Let's drive around here! What is this? Oh, amazing!
Today. If you think you're tasty, you will end up in a magical world of women. If you think you're not tasty, well, sometimes you can see out in a little place called Universal Studios. And thankfully, he did find us tasty, and we're now in Storybook Land. Our first stop is the village of the Three Little Pigs.
Wow,
Who
the
live in a house,
village.
one made from straw, stick, and wolf food brick. All is being chased by the big bad wolf who lives on the left in that cave.
Oh, there's the duck, oh. Wow. It's nice. There's a bridge.
And then just around this corner, folks, is our next story, which involves a little girl named Alice who used to live in this
Wow,
beautiful English
look.
village before she found herself in the curious
Alice.
world of Wonderland.
Wonderland.
And on the right-hand side, this stretch of land is London Park, where Peter Pan flew over all the way to Neverland. It used to have a statue of Peter Pan, but it got stolen by those cute-looking ducks.
Seriously?
Look this one. Oh.
That's not even a part of my script, actually.
Wow,
And this is the
Aladdin.
kingdom of Agrabah, where Jasmine
Aladdin.
and Aladdin fell in love.
I know, exactly.
The ducks don't
Okay,
mind.
yay.
They're taking off.
And then, friends, does anybody want to guess what kind of flowers these are that we're surrounded
Flowers,
by?
smart flowers.
Jasmine, wow.
Jasmine,
Right off the bat. Are you
Jasmine.
a flower enthusiast?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Alright, friends. Now we are about to enter the Cave of Wonders, so please remain cautious and don't touch anything.
Wow, we're going to cave
You may
again.
make a wish for cotton candy,
Aladdin.
Lord,
Uy,
wishes,
dala.
you name it.
There's a treasure on the right, huh?
And with that, folks, we're now in Princess Avenue. Towards the right-hand side, this is the cottage of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and
Snow
the lion
White?
in the background. Whereas on the left, this is Cinderella's village, topped
Wow,
down by
Cinderella.
the beautiful castle atop the hill,
Wow,
where Cinderella
Cinderella.
lived with Prince Charming
Remember that?
happily ever after. And then, as you guys may have noticed, there's that little pumpkin on top of that bridge. Does anybody know what that represents? The carriage, yes.
Carriage.
So what does it represent?
Ah,
Poor time management skills.
Oh.
oh.
What? How come?
Alrighty, so now, speaking of princesses, this is where I want to ask you guys who your favorite Disney princess is. Our previous vote voted for Belle. So who do you guys want to vote for? What did you guys?
I know, my
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel?
mine's Belle.
Belle again? Wow, she's really taking it.
I love Belle.
I
She's
go.
on 2 votes. So we have Rapunzel versus Belle.
Jasmine.
You know she's my favorite. I respect that.
Ikaw, wala ka sa
Jasmine. I like Jasmine, so 3 Jasmine. Belle,
Yeah,
2
Belle
Belle.
too, see?
Okay, so we have Jasmine versus Belle. Rapunzel is out of the race. Jasmine or Belle, friends?
Babe.
Belle just has a different story.
Jasmine.
Oh, of course.
Any last vote before I close it?
Bell for me.
Belle.
I'm kind of out.
That's a what the break is.
Okay, so we'll combine them. Gel is the winner for this
Oh,
vote.
I like it.
Henceforth, we are Team Gel. So Team Gel, before we miss it, Mr. Toad's mansion on your left. And if you make your way down, folks, you find yourself in the kingdom of Arendelle.
Wow, the kingdom.
This is where Queen Elsa was blessed with her magical icy powers.
Oh, Elsa.
And once, she accidentally set the entire kingdom on an eternal winter.
Wow.
But hey, that's all in the past, and it was an accident. So just let it go.
Actually, oh, wow.
Accident, okay.
And then on the right-hand side, folks, this is Alpine Village,
No, look at the
Wow,
where
nice.
the blue fairy made Pinocchio a good boy.
Pinocchio, yeah.
They're becoming a little pest, aren't they?
No, they're cute.
And just like Pinocchio,
Unite.
Little Mermaid Ariel also wanted to become human.
You see that? The
Because she fell in
frozen
love
on
with
the
a guy
left.
she knew absolutely nothing about. But hey, love can do that to you. Their
Nice.
castle is
Oh.
now towards your right-hand side.
Wow.
Originally though, Ariel comes from the underwater city, which you can see through the waterfall.
Wow, there's another course, huh? Nice.
And with that, folks, our journey has ended. Now, as we
Yay.
approach the dock, please
Beauty and the Beast. Huh? Oh. That's Beauty and the Beast. Oh, nga, no? Yes, fine na. Oh. Dito, recess time. So chicken. How about this? What is this?
Potato bites.
Potato bites. This is hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
And there's apple juice. It's a pizza. And fruits. Mahilig sila sa fruits, And big burger. So, price reveal tayo, guys. Total amount is 47.68. Dito naman, you can do it naman. Left, turn left, turn left. Wow! Wow, sa aking driver ko ah! Galing! Galing ng driver ko! Wow, driver ko galing ah! Galing ah! Nice, traffic, traffic! Oh. Nice. There's traffic. Wait, say hi. Okay. Ang galing na kasi mag-drive. Other side, other side, other side, other side. Other side, other side, other side. Yan. Very good, very good. Very good driver, very good. Oh, route to Disneyland. Come on, other side, other side. Okay? Galing. Wow, good driver talaga anak ko. Up, watch your step, watch step. Watch your driving. Oh. Whoa. Galing na kasi oh. Yung driver na. Huh? Galing na kasi. Galing mag-drive eh. Oh. Pakita ko. Oh. Siya mag-drive yan. Oh. Oh. Galing niya si. That's my boy. A good driver. Ah, si good driver. Okay. Init ka. Ay. Magulit oh. Ayaw mo yan. Ah.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops, we could do it all over, thrill is bringing us closer, superstar like Nova, oh, so incredible one time, gotta let it go tonight, wanna know what it feels like, yeah. Going up, we take it down. Let's spice it up, baby, right here and now. Hey, nothing could be better. So high up in the clouds, let's make it last forever. Can nothing bring us down? Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you for a ride.
Dami kong Minnie Mouse yan. Meron siya dito. May computer siya dito. Nice. Ito yung kitchen ni Minnie Mouse. Ang laki. Oh, nice. Ito yung mga food or mga may special diets with Minnie Mouse. Oh. Oh, ito yung mga gamit ni Minnie Mouse. Ah, may to-do list. Do not forget, ha?
I'll see you for dinner Sunday night today. I can't wait. Love Mickey.
Wow. Yeah, but don't forget the the recipe. Puro cheese, oh. Aba, may oven pa siya dyan. Wow! There's a cake.
Yes, cake.
Oh. Ang ganda ng bar ni Minnie Mouse, ha?
Just start.
May oven toaster pa siya, oh. Para sa bread. Oh, may cake, ano, ma. Ang laki ng sabon niya. It's a big soap, oh. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay ni Minnie Mouse. Napaka-organized. Oh! What's that? Nagna-laundry? Ah, dishwasher! High-tech ang... High-tech dishwasher.
You can
Oh, not yet. Wow! Ah, puro cheese ang ano, recipe ni ano?
the friendly cheese.
Oh. Yeah, bread.
How about this one? Can you open this? The oven?
Nice. Kompleto ang gamit ni Minnie Mouse. Ganda, guys. Ito yung magandang nakapansin ko dito kay Minnie Mouse. Live simply. Oh, let's see. May kitchen cabinet din si Minnie Mouse, ha? Oh, there's something,
Can't open it.
what is this?
You can't open
A shake?
Is she baking a cake?
Oh, dito yung, may back door ni Minnie Mouse, oh. Actually, magkapit-bahay lang sila ni, ni Mickey Mouse, oh. Oh, may ano din pala siya dito. Fantasy, ano to? Small world. So, you need to ride a boat like this. Small world yan. Kasakay kami. Okay. Are you going to ride a boat, Azzy? How about you, ate? Okay. Si Mami pagod na. Sasakay pa ng boat. Yan. Pa-welcome na. Kita niyo nag-open? Welcome down. This is the happiest cruise. So, we say welcome. Happiest cruise that ever sailed. May sinasabi dito na the happiest cruise that ever sailed around the world. It's welcome. What's that? Antarctica? Wow. Hello. Sumasayaw, Nadal, oh. It's nice. Hello, guys. Hello. Oh, ito. Basta moon, di ba? Ano mo, oh? Lumilipad pa. Aba, may mag-guardian. Nasa London na tayo.
Peter Pan.
Wow, may chess, oh. Wow, may sumasay sa taas, oh. Galimok na to. Mahal. Water balloon, no? Waba. Oh, ayos to, ah. Oh. Pinocchio, oo nga, no? It's a small world, guys. Asia na to, Asia. Sa China. Ano to? Ano, Aladdin? Ano, Aladdin, oh? May magic carpet? May mga... Ay! Oh! May ganun sa'yo, oh. Galing, oh. Kalabaw, oh. Tama? Tagalog?
I think it's Japan. It's Japan.
Ah, Japan. Japan nga, no? Oh. Japan. Ano ka to?
Oh, it's Egypt. Where?
Whoa! What? Elephant, oh. Aba? Africa? Ah, cute, oh. May sumasaya pa ba? Malalaki na niya. What a small world, oh. Ano to? Espanyol, oh. Buenos Dias. Oh, may malamig din pala doon, oh. Oh. Mga penguin yun, di ba? Penguin. dito. Ano na tayo? Aloha, aloha, Hawaiian. Aloha. Pag aloha, usually nasa mga dagat yung tawag ano. Check natin. Wow! Ganda! May mermaid! Si Ariel to Ariel! Nakabula. Uy! Finding Nemo naman dito. Ayun o.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, pati si Dory. Nemo. Hi Dory, Nemo.
Stitch and Nemo.
Oh, little Stitch here. Oh, ano? Ano, sino to? Ha? Galing ang umayaw oh. Dug. Oh. Wow, may pa. Ito si ano, Woody. Ano, Woody. Uy! May story dito. Hello! I'm Woody! Wow! Saan na naka-white oh? Huh? Oo ba? May umasayaw pa dito. Farewell. Paalam. Wow, dami natin napuntahan ha. Ito may last part pa dito. Basahin natin sa isa ha. Let's start in on the left. Ano sabi?
The weather's nice.
Para mga postcard oh. Having a wonderful time. Disney USA, come and play. Having fun. Ba, may greetings pa. Wow. Wow, ang ganda tiyo.
Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se
Wonderful
detenga de
word
nuevo
talaga.
y se
Ganun
retire del
kakagawa ni Lord sa atin ha.
Gracias.
My name is Doug. I just met you, and I love you. Squirrel! Chief B. Sullivan. Mike disaster. Listen, it's great that I'm coming here, but I have to study my scare. You need to study
Hey, what you doing? Good afternoon. Hi, what I'm doing.
Wow, nice. Wow, galing. Inside Out. Si Joy. May party na yan. Papalabas. Galing ah. Kasabay ng fireworks ah. Wow, nice. Cool.
Good afternoon. My name is Russell.
Ayun sa up. Up naman. Oh, no, nice. Yeah, fireworks. Ay, so na movie. So na movie. Galing kasabay ng fireworks, oh. Oh!
Ready to change the world? So ready.
Ay, the red movie. Ano yung the red, oh? Kasabayan ng fireworks, oh, wow. Oh!
I've never met nobody like you. Had friends who got that body. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy. The way they do.
You like it? Oh, you like it? Same yung box. Adi, mas maganda yung box nila. Ito yung toys na Marvel, na Groot. May prutas, oh. Ha?
Yung apple slices tsaka
Apple slices. At milk. Ito yung ano yung kasama niya. Ito yung chicken nuggets. Ang price nila maliit lang, ha. So, press table tayo.
chicken na lang kinuha ko din, maiba naman.
So, walang price dito. How much this?
Kasama yung price niya.
How much wala siyang price? Isang daliri yung taas niya. Okay, dahil ito yung price reveal natin, papakita ko ha. Nasa $6.39.